Hey bakers, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing strawberries, Oreo cookies, and apples, all three covered in chocolate. And here are the chocolates that I have. I have pink chocolate, which is this one. You need to buy this one. I have chocolate and vanilla. So chocolate is this one. They're all the same bags, but just want to show you guys, how they look. Okay. And then also, if you want to use, you can use this one, Ghirardelli white or dark chocolate. This would be good also for melting. So let's get started. So right now I already have a chocolate melted, the chocolate one. So I'm gonna put in one of the strawberries in here so you guys can see. Also, I already prepared these, so if you can, get yourself some toothpicks or some of these and just put it inside like this. And you stick this in here. And you turn it, and you get it all in there. Try to get it all in there. As you can see, so then what I have is this. If you can buy yourself one of these, like at Michael's, and you stick it in there so you can dry. I thought you don't put it on the parchment paper since it comes out kind of weird, but either one is good. Parchment paper or a board like this, a foam like this. So now I'm going to melt the strawberry one. The pink one. So guys, I put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and I'm gonna add a little bit of Crisco lard and mix it inside, and then again I'm going to remelt it again for another 30 seconds. Remember, like I said, 3 times for 30 seconds. So let me put it back in the microwave again till it melts. So then you stir it. You have to keep stirring it till you see it melting, and then one more time we're going to put it back in the microwave, and that's for all three. The same thing, you have to put it in for 30 seconds for 3 times until it melts completely. So I put it in the microwave again for 30 seconds. This is the 3rd time, so I'm gonna let it all, it's gonna melt. You see how the lard is gone? The reason why I put the lard is for the chocolate can melt faster, and it can stays more hard on in your apple or your strawberries or wherever you're gonna use it for. And you mix it till it all dissolves. It has to dissolve completely in order for you to be able to make a strawberry or whatever you're gonna use it for. Just mix it, keep on mixing. Let me show you how it's melting already. And you want to be able to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds for 3 times, because if not, it won't. If you do it for 2 times, the chocolate won't stay longer. See, as you can see, I put this one in, and it's still good. See. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna get an apple. So I use these because I like the way these handle the apple, but you're welcome to also use popsicles if you don't have these, whichever is easier for you guys. So I'm gonna put my apple in here, and I'm gonna put it inside and turn it, and turn it, and turn it, and try to get all the apple in there. And the good thing about this is that you can use if you feel like it's not getting all of it, you can do this. See, this is the good thing about this. You don't have to worry about, even if you make a mess, it's okay, because you're going to go back and fix it anyways. No big deal. See what I mean? And then you do this, and you put it in your. There you go. And if it drips, it's gonna drip here, and you can throw it in the trash, so you don't have to worry about making a mess. So it's okay if it drips. Okay, now I'm gonna put some chocolate in here in this little plastic bag. because I'm going to use it for my strawberries. And I'm going to show you how to decorate the strawberry. You see how it's coming out? That's what you want to see. And just test it here, you know. Perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my dry strawberry, and I'm just going to, you know, go over it like this. Make some cute little designs. And that's it. Just, you know, and then you flip it around. And there you have it, as you can see. And you can also lay it down. You don't have to, you know, you lay it down and you do this. Turn it around. Do the same. Go back. And let it dry, and there you have it. That's one. Now if you want to do a pink one, I also got these toothpicks. If you don't want to use the long toothpicks, what you do is you grab this like this with your hand and you dip it inside. With a toothpick, you won't have a problem holding the strawberry, and it won't fall in. It won't slip out of your hands either. What I do, I tap the bottom. But whatever is easier for you guys. This one, since it's not that long, you could put it inside, but I'm just going to put it on the paper. There we go. And we'll just wait till it dries. And it's okay if you make a mess. I mean, it's okay. I mean, you know, no problem. The thing is to learn how to make them. As you keep going, you'll get better in making these. So then now I'm gonna get this one and add some. You guys can buy these, you know, little bags of those disposable ones, and you just, you know, you get a glass cup, and you put it inside like this, and you add chocolate inside here. I'm just gonna add a little bit of chocolate. And I think my apple already dried, so let me see. We're gonna give it a second and see. Just want to show you guys, you know, you can practice here like that. Okay, so I'm gonna see if this one is already dry. So I think it is. So what you do is you grab this and you go like this. You can put as many as you want, however you want. You know, you decide what you want to put in it, how you want to decorate it. You decide. Like for the top, what I do sometimes, I just, you know, I keep going and I keep doing this, like in circles. Make it look however you want it. The main thing is to get the hang of it, is to learn how to, you know. See? And there you go. So then now we're gonna melt the white chocolate, and we're gonna put some white on the strawberries. Remember, 30 seconds 3 times. So now I'm gonna add about a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, maybe 1 or 2, depending on, you know. maybe halfway. Yeah, halfway. There you go. And then you just add your Oreo cookie into the little thing here, and you fill it up with chocolate. You fill that up. You fill it up all the way. There we go. And you tap your little thing, making sure that your Oreo is covered all in chocolate. And let it set, and you put it in the refrigerator. So then once the Oreo is in there, just leave it there and you put it in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. I'll do one more, just for you guys can get another idea of how I. 1, 2. So I put about 2 teaspoons of chocolate, and then you drop in the Oreo. Then you put another 2 inside until you see your chocolate all filled up with white chocolate. It's okay if you spill a little bit over, that's okay. We're learning as we're going, so it's okay. And we just let it set. Now I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. So earlier I made a pink one, and I just put the white ones in the refrigerator. So this is how they're gonna look once they're done. Pink, and I put some white in it. So see, this is really nice. You can, as a gift, if you're gonna have a baby shower, or if you're gonna have this any kind of event, any color will look nice. The Oreos come out really good with this. And there you have it. So I'm gonna make, I'm gonna try to make these vanilla wafers, because I already made some and they came out like this. They came out really cute. You know, like again, like you can put happy faces, you can decorate it however you want. I just did it like this, something simple. The vanilla wafer with chocolate. So I'm gonna, what you do is you dip it in the chocolate and you cover it like this. And you try to, you grab it like this, and you wait till it all gets in the bottom, the chocolate stops dripping. But I do this. There we go, like this. See, make it easier. And then I put the next one. But for that, let me just grab myself another spoon. I need another spoon for that. Let me use this one. So, all you do is, cover it up with chocolate. Cover it up and just flip it over, and and you put it with the other one like this. It's okay, like I said, if you make a mess, you're learning as you're going. Look at me, I'm making a mess, but it's okay, I don't care, I'm just learning also. So, put the other one in there. Flip it over, and that's why I said that you should get these popsicle sticks. It's easier to, do your chocolate. And just, you slide it in there, and then at the end you can do this, just so the chocolate won't be dripping, and just let it dry. Just let it dry, and then this is how it's supposed to look. See, and we'll decorate this one also. Oh, and by the way, the Oreos came out amazing. Look at that. It came out really nice. I mean, the Oreos came out really good. And also I have a pink one here that I made earlier. So you can do any color, like I said. Chocolate, red, black, any color. Whatever you guys like. And then the strawberries also came out really nice. And then, now I'm gonna do another apple. So, let's see. We're gonna do I'll do this one. Actually, no, because I'll do this one. Okay, we'll do this one. So what I do, I just turn it. Just turn it. Try to get all the chocolate in there. Turn it. And you can use any, like I said, in the apples, any. We can put sprinkles in this also. Maybe we'll put sprinkles in it. Yeah. We'll see. Try to cover it all. And all you do is just like I said, you put it here and then it. I'm putting sprinkles on this one. I just want to see how it's gonna look, guys. It looks pretty cute, huh? So, you know, just grab your put how many, you know, whatever you want. But I'm gonna do it like this. Just, you know. Of course, I'm making a mess, which is okay. It's okay to make a mess, like I said. I mean, you know, that's the whole thing. If you don't make a mess, how do you expect to learn? You know. So hey guys, so there it is. See, beautiful. The wafers came out really nice. The apples came out beautiful, and the strawberries. So it's okay if you make a mess. Like I said, we're learning as we're going. So thank you guys. So give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.